So I call them and tell them come to me. Let's get out of here, guys. Let's go.
That's what I'm saying. We should get paid extra right now.
That's all you worried about right now. You invested.
Everybody's safe.
You should get paid for it. Hurry up! Can't leave you behind. Hey.
This is fun, right?
I don't want to take sewage water. We good.
Yep.
I'm just happy it's not electrified.
I mean, it's true I was going to get rid of these shoes, but damn.
Good thing I don't work tomorrow, because by the time these shoes dry, they still back there baking.
I don't think. Does that mean they will be sold this week too? I mean, tomorrow?